Do you ever feel happy, sad, or maybe a little nervous, but you don't know how to say it in English?
Today, we're going to help you talk about your feelings easily and naturally.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia. I'm Max.
And I'm Mia. We're really happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very important and interesting topic for all of you.
Yes, today we're going to talk about feelings.
Feelings. It's something we all experience, right? Happy, sad, excited, all of them.
And learning how to talk about your feelings in English is a big step in your language journey.
It really is. Before we start, just a quick friendly reminder, share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia if you haven't yet. Also, don't forget to like the video.
It really helps us a lot, and we always enjoy reading your comments.
Yes, tell us what you think. Okay, Max, let's begin. Why is talking about our feelings so important?
Good question. Sometimes it can feel a little difficult, right?
Yes, it can be, but it's really good for us.
When we talk about how we feel, it supports our mental health. It's like releasing something from inside.
Exactly. Keeping everything inside isn't healthy.
And when we express our feelings, communication becomes easier. People understand us better.
That's true. If I say, I feel happy today, you understand me more clearly.
And it also helps our relationships with friends and family.
Totally. If I tell my friend, I feel a bit sad today, they might say, I'm sorry to hear that. Can I help?
That creates a stronger connection.
Like building a small bridge between people.
That's a great way to describe it. So talking about feelings is good for your mind, for communication, and for relationships.
Wow. Yes, exactly.
Now, for our amazing English learners, let's go through some basic feeling words.
These are words you hear all the time.
Let's start with an easy one, happy.
When you smile or laugh, you feel happy.
Like right now, I feel happy talking to you, Mia.
Me too, Max.
Next, sad.
When you cry or feel down.
Like when it rains all day and you can't go outside.
Yeah, that can make you feel a bit sad.
Next, angry.
When you feel upset or maybe a bit hot-headed.
Like when you miss the bus.
Oh yes, that's definitely annoying.
What about tired?
When you just want to sleep.
Sometimes after a long day, I feel really tired.
Same here.
Next, excited.
When something good is about to happen.
Like before a holiday.
Yes, you feel so excited.
Then we have scared.
When something makes you feel afraid.
Like watching a scary movie.
Or hearing a strange noise at night.
Yeah, that can be scary. And finally, nervous.
When you have a test or need to speak in front of people.
I remember feeling nervous before my first video.
And now you feel confident.
Practice really helps.
Now a very important tip. The difference between I feel and I am.
Yes, this is very useful.
We often say I feel happy or I feel sad.
It describes how you feel at the moment.
But you can also say I am happy or I am sad.
Both are correct.
So you can say I feel tired or I am tired.
Don't worry too much about it right now. Just use one.
Good advice.
Now, let's look at more specific feelings.
These help you describe emotions more clearly.
First, frustrated.
When you try something but it doesn't work.
Like building furniture with unclear instructions.
That's very frustrating.
Next, overwhelmed.
When you have too many things to do.
Like lots of homework or tasks.
Yes, it can feel like too much.
Then, anxious.
Similar to nervous but stronger.
Like before an important interview.
You might feel it in your stomach.
Yes, that uneasy feeling. Next, proud.
When you achieve something.
Or someone you love achieves something.
That's a great feeling.
Then, lonely.
When you feel alone and want someone to talk to.
Yes, we all feel that sometimes. Next, confident.
When you believe in yourself.
And finally, disappointed.
When something doesn't go the way you expected.
Like your favorite team losing.
Yeah, that's disappointing.
Now let's talk about intensity.
You can say a bit sad or completely devastated.
A bit means a little.
Completely means very, very strong.
Words like very, really, extremely help describe it.
It makes your English more expressive.
Now let's look at some idioms.
These are fun expressions.
First, I'm on cloud 9.
It means you are extremely happy.
Next, I'm feeling under the weather.
It means you feel a bit sick.
Then, walking on eggshells.
Being very careful not to upset someone.
And it broke my heart.
Meaning something made you very sad.
Now, how do we ask about feelings?
You can say, "How are you?"
Or, how are you really feeling?
Or, "Do you want to talk about it?"
Another one is something on your mind?
These show you care.
And how do we respond?
With empathy.
You can say, that must be hard.
Or, "I understand how you feel."
Or, I'm here for you.
And thanks for sharing that with me.
These help build strong connections. Okay, we're almost out of time.
Before we go, one last reminder.
Practice talking about your feelings.
It gets easier with time.
Thank you for watching Easy English with Max and Mia.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
And write in the comments, how are you feeling today?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye!